Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick maintenance video we're going to talk a little bit about how to replace and remove your trimmer blade on your Pro Trimmer. The model I've got in front of me is the GP84. We're going to talk about how easy and quick it is to remove and replace that blade. But first of all, when it comes to blade maintenance, it's obviously a really important aspect of using a trimmer, especially a Panasonic trimmer. If you are looking for spare blades, you can find those on our online accessories store. Simply head to our support site, follow the links, pop in the model number of your trimmer, and you should be able to find all the accessories and spare parts for it. So let's get to it. First things first, we're going to make sure that the trimmer is unplugged and turned off. We're going to pick it up and take it in our hands. The first thing we're going to make sure is that on the dial here, on the length dial, it's set to 2 millimeters before we remove the blade and replace it. Once we're happy that that's set to 2 millimeters, we're going to simply make sure our fingers are protecting the back of the blade here. If you don't have your fingers there, the blade may pop off and fall on the floor, and you don't want to do any extra unnecessary damage. Once we've got our fingers behind the blade, we're just going to run our thumb up the top of the blade and push away ever so gently, and there you go. You can see it came away really easy. You don't need to force that. You don't need to be too forceful with that at all. You can be nice and gentle. Once that's popped off, that comes away in our hand like that. Super straightforward. When it comes to replacing it, let's imagine that this is our new blade now, and you can actually see, hopefully in the camera there's a bit of a protrusion at the end here at the bottom of the blade. We're going to use that protrusion and we're going to try and line it up to the indentation at the bottom of the shaver here, so of the trimmer, sorry. So we're going to try and line those up. Pop that in first. There you go. You can sort of see how that's found that protrusion there, and then we're just going to push the blade back into the body. Really straightforward. Again, you don't need to force that. You just have to be nice and gentle with it, and that's it. You're good to go. Simple as that. Really straightforward. Replacing blades is obviously an important part of product maintenance, so do make sure you check your blades for damage and replace them if needed. So I hope you found this useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.